Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English from a zero level. Start by building a strong foundation with essential vocabulary. Focus on high-frequency words you'll use every day. Simultaneously, dedicate time to mastering basic English sounds. Consistent listening to simple English content, even for just 10 to 15 minutes, will significantly improve your comprehension over time. This initial phase is crucial for setting you up for success. Once you have a basic vocabulary, it's time to tackle simple grammar. Focus on understanding how to form basic sentences, like I eat apples. Practice using present and simple past tenses, as these are foundational. Flashcards are an excellent tool for reinforcing new vocabulary and grammar points. Aim for about 20 new words a day to steadily expand your knowledge base. Now, let's put your knowledge into practice. Find a language partner for short, simple conversations. Even 5 minutes daily helps. Watching children's shows in English with English subtitles is a fantastic way to connect words with visuals and sounds. Don't be afraid to repeat phrases and sentences aloud. This active practice, even if it feels awkward at first, is vital for developing natural speech patterns and improving your pronunciation. To truly accelerate your learning, immerse yourself in English as much as possible. Label everyday objects around your home with their English names. Start reading very simple English stories or articles to build reading comprehension. Consistency is key. Dedicate at least 30 minutes every single day to studying English. This steady effort, combined with active practice, will lead to significant progress in your journey.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.